Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you the recipe for curry goat. You guys know I love curry goat, so here we go. Okay, so here's my pieces of goat meat, cut up into very small pieces, nicely washed and everything, so very clean, right? So I'm going to season it now. Next step is to season. I'm going to add some onion that I cut up very finely, some black pepper, some salt, a generous amount of grated garlic. I have some seasoning peppers, and I have a generous amount of homemade green seasoning. I have a few leaves of Shado Beni freshly cut from my garden. And we're going to also season this meat with a bit of curry powder. I'm just going to mix everything together. This smell is so good already. It's so important to, I think in my opinion, to really season your meats very well to get the best flavor of it. Alright, so I'll let this rest for like about an hour and put this, I'm not going to cook all of this, maybe about half of it, and then put some in the freezer. I'm just going to cook the other half. Yeah, baby. So here's my pot on the stove, nicely hot. I already added some oil, so I'm going to add the balance of the onion that I chopped up finely. Next, I'm going to add some more grated garlic. I'm going to let these two ingredients saute for about a minute or two. Now I'm going to add some curry powder, a bit of turmeric powder. I'm going to mix these ingredients together. Allow that, especially curry and the turmeric powder, to toast a little bit. Now I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of water. The objective is to allow this curry to cook, the curry powder to cook very well before I continue with the process. So I'll let this simmer for about, let's say, about 5 to 10 minutes before I add in the seasoned goat meat. So now, as you can see here, most of the water has boiled down, right? And now I'm going to add the goat meat and mix that into the curry mixture very well. Fully coat the goat meat with the curry mixture that was simmering for a few minutes. Next, I'll cover the pot and I'll allow this to simmer for about 20 minutes. After that time has passed, look at that. Look at that. It just has been simmering in its natural juices and stuff. I'm going to give it a little mix before I proceed. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill the pot with water. right? Cover the pot and allow the meat to cook thoroughly. I may have to add more water again, maybe one more time before the meat is fully cooked, because it's sort of tough. So it may take me about, let's say, about 45 minutes to an hour to get the meat fully cooked. Okay folks, here's my curry goat all done, nice and tender. About an hour, it took me about an hour to get this nice and tender, right? And most of the water has basically boiled down. So I'm gonna leave it for about another 5 minutes again before I turn off the stove, and yeah, serve this with some rice for lunch. Okay folks, that's it for today. This is my curry goat with some bit of white rice. If you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.